Hey guys, welcome. I'm Flutter Sensei, and in this quick class, we are going to build your very first interactive Flutter app with AI, the Hello World toggle app. But we aren't doing it the old-fashioned way. You will learn how to create a new Flutter project and build your UI using widgets like scaffold, app bar, and elevated buttons, all while leveraging the power of GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT Codex right inside your VS Code. We will make your app come alive with interactivity using just a few lines of Dart code. And we will also explore Flutter's Material 3 design system. You will see how to theme your entire app with a single color seed. Change one color and your whole app transforms instantly. You will need to have Flutter installed on your PC. If you haven't done it yet, you can go to flutter.dev or check out my detailed step-by-step installation guide at fluttersensei.com. Once Flutter and VS Code is installed, you're good to go. This class is beginner-friendly. There is no complex setup or overwhelming theory. If you can open VS Code and follow along, you will have a working Android app under 30 minutes. Beyond the basics of widgets, you will learn the modern agentic workflow. You will set up AI assistants to help us write code faster, find hidden performance issues, and fix bugs in seconds. You will understand how state works, how to use setState, and how Flutter rebuilds your UI dynamically, the same way the pros do it today. By the end of this class, you won't just have code on a screen. You will be live previewing your app on a real phone and compiling your own APK file so you can share your creation with the world. Your project for this class is to take your Hello World toggle app and make it your own. Once you have built the base app with me, use your AI assistants to add one custom feature, maybe a new icon, a different message, or a unique color scheme. When you're done, take a screenshot of your app running on your phone and upload it to the project gallery. I'll be there to give you feedback and celebrate your first builds. So grab your code editor, fire up Flutter, and let's start building with AI. And if you're excited to see how AI is changing the way we build apps, make sure you hit that follow button on my profile so you don't miss the next app in this series. Let's get started.